Did you ever put pictures of yourself undressed in his girlfriend's car?
I sent him to him in prison.
No letting go.
You had him put in jail, according to you, because he violated you. That's you said to me, and then you sent him nude pictures of yourself. What are you, Coco? Jay whiz.
Have you ever watched a court case and thought, wait, none of this is adding up? Today's case is full of shocking allegations, conflicting stories, and courtroom twists that had everyone talking. By the time the judge made the final ruling, I was left with one question. What was really going on here? Let's get into it.
You and the defendant had been involved in some sort of a relationship. He went to jail, according to your complaint. When he got out of jail, he keyed your car. Is that right?
Yes, he did.
Did you see him do it?
I seen him do it the second time. The first time, my sister saw him do it.
Step up, you. What was he in jail for, by the way? What were you in jail for, sir?
She sent me to jail for, well, it wasn't jail. I caught a parole violation. The way the parole system works is all she has to do is make a complaint, and they put me back in prison.
How long were you on parole?
I was on parole for 4 years.
What were you originally incarcerated for?
Involuntary manslaughter.
And during that parole period, she called and registered a complaint about you.
Yes.
Was her complaint domestic violence?
More or less. I have her charges here.
Let me see. And when you went back to jail, how long did you serve, sir?
She did it a couple of times. The first time was 6 months, and the second time was 2 years.
You did 6 months, but that wasn't on a parole violation.
Well, yeah, it was on a parole violation, and I did a 6-month violation because she said that I had stole her gold chains, and she's done this a couple of times. It's like a fatal attraction that she has for me.
All right. Listen to me. Did you ever witness him keying her car?
Yes, I did. The first
What's
scratch.
your name?
Sandra Masal.
Miss Masal, when was that?
It was the end of October. He came to my house on a
October
Saturday.
of 98?
98. Came to my house about 8 o'clock on a Saturday morning, knocked on the door. I got up because she was asleep, and I asked who it is. He said, Jamie, and he looked in my window, the top of the door, and I said, just a minute. I went and woke her up, and I said, Carol, Jamie's out there, and I told you I don't want him on my property anymore. So she gets up, she goes outside, stayed out there about 20 minutes. She came back in, and I was watching out my bedroom window, and he walked over to the car with his key and went right down the side of her car.
Jamie, this lady is telling me the truth. When did you get out of jail?
I got out of jail August 29th, 1998.
8/29. So a month later, you're at her house.
No, I live with my fiancé.
No. A month later, you went to her house.
No, I didn't.
You mean to tell me she's lying when she says you even came to the house to
That's
talk to her
very true.
in October?
I haven't been allowed at her house, Your Honor, for
That never
a
stopped
couple
before.
years.
Jamie. Jamie. You have to be careful because then I won't believe anything that you tell me. Now, tell me about the gold chains.
Well,
You say you have the receipts for the gold chains. She says you ripped them off her neck.
yes, Your Honor. She's made malicious stories up on several occasions.
Well, I understand that. Your defense is not that it didn't happen. You said they're my chains and I have the receipts for them.
Yeah, here's the receipt.
All right, so there you go. Let me see the receipt, please.
Sure. I'm unsure of what chain she's talking
Just a minute. Jamie. Jewelry. Where'd you get this from?
This was
Where'd you get this from,
from
Jamie?
Grand Discount Store.
No, where did you get it from in order to bring it to court today?
This was part of my parole packet. These were the letters that she had sent. This was stuff that I'd saved while I was incarcerated.
Where did you get this receipt from?
Where did I buy the chain, Your Honor? This Grand Discount.
Jamie, we're going to go over this one more time. Otherwise, I'm going to send you outside, give you a copy of my first book. You know what the title is?
What is it, Your Honor?
Tell him, Bird.
Don't pee on my leg and tell me it's raining.
So I'm going to ask you again, Jamie. Where did you get this piece of paper with the date 11/4/96?
Okay, that goes with the copy of the report that I handed you. She said that I had sold her chain in 96. I'm unsure of what chain she's talking about.
She's talking about the one you ripped off her neck.
Well, see, she said that I had stolen. Oh, I don't know. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. She said, I don't know, Your Honor.
Well, tell me about how he ripped this gold chain off your neck.
I bought them gold chains at the Grand Discount over there by my job, a year while he was locked up.
When did he rip them off your neck is what I want to know.
November 12th, 1998, at my job, when he brought the hatchet up to my job, which is on the police report that I have, charging him with a felony of robbery.
Okay.
That's what she says, sir. She said you came up to her job, you ripped the gold chains off her neck. Police report was filed on that date, November 12th, 1998. Are you telling me, Jamie, that you were never in her office?
No, that's her birthday, Your Honor, my fiance.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Are you telling me that you were not in her office on that day?
Yes, Your Honor, that's what I'm saying.
Is that what you're telling me?
Yes, I was with my fiance on her birthday.
I have a witness that he was with them that day after he went to my job.
Name.
Donald Souders. I've just gotten off that work that day, Your Honor, and he stopped by. Well, actually, he called me first.
Were you friends?
Yeah, we were friends until, some mishaps. But he called me. We were supposed to go to the gym that night. So,
On November 12th?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, it was his girlfriend's birthday. How come he wasn't with her?
I don't know. He was with us. He was
Oh.
with me, my cousin, and my brother.
Yeah, go ahead.
As we were getting ready to leave, we've gotten a page with the 911 saying the police were looking for him. So we didn't know nothing, about it till when we got home. And that's when he handed us the chain and said, give him back to Carol. We asked him why. He said because he went down there to get his pager and she wouldn't give it. He took a hatchet, was going to smash in her car if he didn't give the pager back. Then he snatched the chain. I told him he should have went about it a legal way to get that pager back. And he said it was too late and to give the chains back, and he left.
And what did you do with the chains?
I tried to call Carol up and see if she wanted them back because I didn't really want to get involved, but she was upset.
Where are the chains now?
She has them in the car.
Well, why didn't you bring them in so I could see them?
They're in the car. I forgot to bring them.
All right.
I got the halves in the car.
Show me the bill for the paint job on your car where he keyed it.
Your Honor?
What?
I was in Oregon on November 12th with my fiance.
So you mean he's lying and she's lying?
They're lying completely. I wasn't even in California on the 12th. That was her birthday, Your Honor.
Show me.
I
Show
was
me.
completely unprepared for that.
You mean to tell me the police never tried to contact you?
They never
Jamie, listen to me carefully, sir. Are you telling me that the police officer in this case never tried to contact you or never contacted you with regard to this complaint? Is that what you're telling me?
Your Honor, I cannot recall. I do recall, however.
No. Don't tell me that you were in Oregon.
Honestly, Your Honor, I don't recall.
Well, you better recall, sir. I'm going to tell you why. Because if I were facing 25 years to life as a predicate felon, I would be very well aware of the fact that the police department contacted me on another violation. So I want you to think about it. I would be more aware of that than I would be whether or not I spent my girlfriend's birthday with her.
The case will continue in a moment.
Mr. Ware, on your best day, you're not as smart as I am on my worst day.
Do
you understand?
I understand.
Okay. Do you have an estimate on keying the car?
I have the estimates, the picture
Let me see it.
to my car, the IOUs, the canceled checks he owes me for.
All right. The lowest estimate is $1,200. Now, you have a counterclaim.
Yes.
You say she keyed your car.
Yes, she did.
And she's been harassing you.
Yes, she has.
Okay, let me hear, Mr. Ware.
Well, she did key my car, right? She drives by my house yelling out malicious statements. She calls my phone and hangs up.
She calls your phone and hangs up. How do you know it's her?
Well, because when my mother answers, she won't say anything. And if I say hello, she'll respond.
Just a minute. So when you answer the phone, she talks.
Yes.
Okay, well, that's not a hang up.
When everybody else answers, she hangs up.
So how do you know it's her?
Because she might have to call several times before I answer.
Okay. What's next?
She threw new pictures of herself in my fiance's car.
Let me see.
I have a witness to the keying of my car.
Listen to me. Shh. Did you ever put pictures of yourself undressed in his girlfriend's car?
No, I didn't.
Well, how did he get these pictures?
I was out in front of his house talking to his girlfriend.
Yeah?
He took the picture of me sitting in the car, and then that's not his car, that's his father's car, by the way.
Do me a favor.
Sure.
Show her these pictures.
Them pictures?
Hey!
Oh, these pictures, I sent him to him in prison. That's how he got the pictures. You're allowed to send new pictures to prison.
Just a second. When did you send them?
It was when he was in Avenal, Chino, Avenal.
That's when you had him put in jail?
Yeah, when I put him in jail.
There's something wrong with you.
I know.
You had him put in jail, according to you, because he raped you and violated you. That's you sitting here, and then you sent him nude pictures of yourself.
Your Honor.
What are you, Coco? Jay Whiz. I just changed my mind. What a nut. Do you understand what I'm talking about?
I understand what you're talking about. I've told her.
Keep going, Mr. Ware. You're getting to look better and better to me. Hey,
Order.
quiet. Or I'll clear the courtroom.
Not understand. She drives by my house. There's pictures of her yelling at my fiance, harassing her, Your Honor.
I suggest you move, Mr. Ware. You have
I
not
did,
been.
Your Honor. I was living with her, and she was driving by, harassing her, and she called my house. You know, it's just nice that it's finally recognized. It was 2 years of my life, Your Honor, that I spent in prison because of the things she does. Here's letters that I just like to submit.
Yeah, but you went up to her office and you took your gold chains back. You know, I try to get to the truth, sir. I try to get to the truth. You tell me the truth all the time, I'll listen to you. But you got to tell me the truth all the time, sir.
She knows, Your Honor, she knows a lot of it. I can't even say it. It really hurts me to say things like this.
Just a second.
He witnessed the keying of my car. Those pictures were taken just this Sunday. Gary, he was out there. He saw her drive up. She was yelling. She was upping up her lawsuit to $2,000.
Step up here, sir.
The case will continue in a moment.
Imagine sending a man to prison, then turning around and sending him nude pictures. And now you're dragging him to court? Girl, make it make sense. At some point, you have to stop keeping one foot in the past and the other in the courtroom. If he's so terrible, why keep reopening the chapter? The math just isn't mathing. It's giving can't let go more than seeking justice.
When did you observe her driving by his house?
Sunday just passed, Your Honor.
Did you drive by his house this last Sunday?
Yes, I did.
For what?
Well, last week he came up to me and he called me and he wanted money. So to feed his dogs, I wrote him a check because I didn't have the cash on him. Then he brought his father up to my job and said that I didn't have no money. So I told him to return me the check then. But I had money.
Did you take a check from her?
No.
What is she talking about?
I don't even know, Your Honor. She sat out front of my mother's house. One time I had got out of prison for 3 days waiting for me to show up. She's witness to that. She followed me to my job. Stopped me. I lost my job. A letter of termination because she was yelling, cricking, screaming, yelling, how could I cheat on you at my job? It wasn't the best job, Your Honor. I'm not proud to say I was making pornos.
Something is wrong with you, madam. You better go to see a psychiatrist.
For
You
what?
better go see a psychiatrist.
For what?
Because you can't leave him alone.
Leave him alone. I work 13 hours a day. I don't have time to be
Listen
bothered.
to me. You can't leave him alone. You want to know why I know that that's true? Because no person in their right mind who says somebody violated them the way you say he violated you would turn around and send nude pictures of themselves to prison.
That was 2 years ago.
I don't care. You had him sent to jail
I did.
for sexually violating you. And then you turn around and send him nude pictures of yourself? There's something wrong with you. Big time. Big time. Are you a friend of hers?
No, I'm her sister.
Well, you better see to it that she gets some psychiatric help, madam.
We try.
What?
We tell her.
Well,
She
stand
don't
up
listen.
here. Stand up here. You tell her?
Yeah, she don't listen, and then he's just as bad as she is. He does the same thing to her.
Just a second. He may.
Yeah.
He may. She's your sister. She's coming here and telling me she filed a complaint. She said she had him sent to jail.
Mm-hmm.
She had him sent to jail for raping and violating her.
That's true.
Right?
Yeah.
And then, when he's in jail for violating her, she sends him provocative pictures. And when I asked her why, she said, because you're allowed to send nude pictures to people
Yeah.
in jail. Right?
She's nuts.
I'm afraid
She's nuts.
of him.
Yeah.
Your sister.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm
Listen to me.
afraid of him. That's what I am.
You're afraid of him.
I'm
People who are
afraid of
afraid
him.
don't do this, madam. People who are afraid
Believe
don't
me,
do that.
it's out of fear. He's threatened to kill me before, and I'm afraid.
Then you shouldn't go by his house. You shouldn't go by his house for anything. Nothing. Who saw her key his car? Step. I don't believe the fiancée. She was about to lie about a birthday, so I'm not listening to her. Who are you?
His neighbor.
His neighbor.
Yes, ma'am.
Your name?
Antonio Elizarraz.
Last name?
Elizarraz.
That's a hard one. Antonio, right?
Yes.
Tell me what you saw her do, if anything, to his car.
My window's right here, like, right in back, and I seen, like, around 11:15
When was this?
on the 8th of Monday. March.
On the 8th of March of this year.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
And her and another young man got off her car, and started hitting his car with a bat and breaking the windows and everything like that.
You saw that?
Yes, ma'am.
Here's a police report.
I don't know.
Let
what
me
you're
see.
talking about.
And the estimate to the car.
And you got out of my car.
Sir, are you positive it was her?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you know it was her?
Because she drives a purple Thunderbird.
And it was the purple Thunderbird.
And almost every day she passes with her lights off, going down, up and down the streets.
How do you know that?
Because it's her. She works in Burger King.
And you've seen it?
I always go to Burger King. I see her every day.
The case will continue in a moment.
Girl, if your story is, he sexually violated me, but then you're allegedly sending him nude pictures, showing up at his house, and keeping yourself tied to him, people are going to have questions. The math just isn't mathing. And if it turns out you're lying, that's beyond messy. You're not just trying to ruin one man's life. You make it harder for real victims to be believed. And that's the part that makes me side-eye the hardest. If you're truly done with someone, be done. This whole I can't let you go tour is exhausting.
Mr. Ware, listen to me, sir. You've convinced me.
Okay.
How's that?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
How are you related to her?
I'm her nephew.
Well, you better all work on her to get some help.
We try, Your Honor.
Has she ever been psychiatrically hospitalized?
Nope.
Well, she's going to find herself in a very, very difficult situation because this man is going to be tested. You know, I'm not saying he did everything right. I believe that he probably did a key on her car because I believe you that he keyed her car. I believe that you keyed her car, sir. Trust me. I believe that she's telling me the truth because she has told me that her sister's crazy. Why would she tell me that her sister's crazy and lie about you? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I believe you keyed her car, and the estimate for the car is $1,200, right? Now, I also believe that she's made your life a holy hell. I don't believe that you're mentally unbalanced, but I believe that she's mentally unbalanced. The last 2 years that you did in prison, was that violation based solely on her complaint?
She said I stole her gold chains, threatened harassing her. She said I sodomized her. There's, 5 complaints. Sodomized her.
Okay. Forget about your gold chains. They're in the car. He keyed your car. To fix your car is $1,200. He says you've been harassing him, keying his car, and torturing him. I believe him. He's suing you for $5,000. I'm giving him $5,000. That means you get nothing, and he gets $3,800. Judgment for the defendant.
Parties are excused. You may step out.
That finally a judge recognizes that she's lying.
I don't really care. I'm done with it. Period.
Trust no one.
Trust no one.
Trust no one. Be very careful the people you choose to have in your life.
I don't believe for 1 second that she's done with him. When even your own family is calling out your behavior, that's a huge red flag. And after everything that came out in court, I'm not surprised the judge ruled against her. Sometimes the truth has a way of cutting through all the noise. Anyway, that's my take on it. Let me know what you think in the comments, but keep it respectful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.